In this video, I will be showing you how to fix the ChatGPT bad gateway error. Let's get started. First, I open up my browser and type ChatGPT into the search bar to navigate to the official website. Once the search results load, I click on the primary link for ChatGPT to open the application. If the page is loading slowly or throwing an error, the first thing I want to do is verify if the problem is on OpenAI's end. To check this, I open a new tab, type OpenAI status into the address bar, and hit enter. I click on the official OpenAI status page link from the results. Here, I can examine the overall system status, specifically expanding the ChatGPT section to look at individual components like conversations, logins, and search functionalities. Everything appears to be operational with green bars indicating high uptime, so the issue must be local to my browser. I switch back to the ChatGPT tab to begin troubleshooting. I click on the three vertical dots in the top right corner of Chrome. Next, I click on Clear Browsing Data to open the cleanup prompt. I make sure the time range is set to all time to ensure a thorough refresh. I check the boxes for browsing history, cookies, and other site data, and cached images and files. Then I click on the Delete Data button and wait a moment for the process to fully complete. With the cache cleared, I head back to the ChatGPT tab. If the issue persists, conflicting browser extensions might be the culprit. I click the three dots menu in the top right again, hover over Extensions, and select Manage Extensions. On this page, I look for any active extensions, particularly VPNs or ad blockers, and toggle the switch to turn them off or completely remove them to see if it resolves the conflict. After closing the extension tab, I decided to try accessing the site through a completely clean session. I click the three dots menu one more time and select the new incognito window to bypass any remaining local restrictions. In the incognito browser, I search for ChatGPT once more, click on the official link, and I'm greeted by a fresh landing page. I click the login button in the bottom left corner, select my preferred sign-in method, enter my email address, and click Continue. Finally, I type in my password, hit Next, and successfully access the fully functional ChatGPT interface without any further gateway errors. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.